In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily manually change time zone and region on Samsung Galaxy phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and after that, tap at that gear. Now guys, on the settings, we need to scroll down and tap at General Management. After that, here you will find date and time, get into it, and that's where we can easily find these two options, automatic date and time and automatic time zone. By default, both of these options are turned on, like in that case. However, if you would like to change your, let's say, time zone, first off, you need to turn that option off. And after that, you will be able to hit right here where it displays your current one. Here, first off, we need to choose a different region. Now, as you can see, it is Russia. However, if we get into it, we will be able to choose a different one. We can use search to search for some specific location. I'm gonna choose just Estonia here. And that's how we can easily set different region here. And the same about time. If you would like to change current date or time, we just need to turn that option off. And after that, we'll be able to set different date in that simple way. And also from here we can choose different time. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.